Alright, this is a sad part of a happy movie by Primo the Alien. I got some friends who are going through some tough stuff right now, and this song just really means a lot to me and to them, so I wanted to do my little spin on it. I've got the lyrics right here, because I haven't had a chance to memorize them yet, but anyway. I'm pretending this is just a sad part of a movie, and that you're racing through the streets to get back home. I wanna change our storyline to a happy ending, but everywhere I look I see writing on the wall. So let's take our time, do it all, savor every part. Every word you tell me burn forever in my memory. Breathe it in, remember this, how we are right now. Maybe there's still time somehow to write another story. Like it's the sad part of a happy movie. In my head, just to feel us, but the color starts to fade around the edge. If I could memorize each line, keep forever in my mind, play it back 1,000 times, never let it end. So let's take our time, do it all, savor every part. Every word you tell me burn forever in my memory. Breathe it in, remember this, how we are right now. Maybe there's still time somehow to write another story. Like it's a sad part of a happy movie. What it is without a little regret, without a couple what ifs, and if we know how it ends, probably do it again. Anyway, life wouldn't be what it is without a little regret, without a couple what ifs, and if we knew how it ends, probably do it again. Just the same, it's a sad part of a happy movie. Lie a little longer, let me keep the dream. I